Good morning, children. Today I am going to give the notes based on video first and video second of Mysuru division in our Karnataka. First, the history of Mysuru division. Answer the following questions. First question: how many districts are there in Mysuru division? Answer: 8 districts are there in Mysuru division. Question number second: how did the name Mysuru come into the being? Answer: according to the mythological stories, goddess Parvati killed Mahishasura in the form of Chamundeshwari. The place where Mahisha was killed became Mysore. Question number 3: name the Wadiyar king who contributed the development of Mysuru kingdom during the early part of 20th century. Answer: Krishnaraja Wadiyar IV developed Mysuru kingdom during the part of 20th century. Question number 4: what name did Britishers give to the coastal region of Karnataka? The coastal region of Karnataka was called Canara by the Britishers. Question number 5: name the most famous king of Halleri dynasty. Answer: Dodda Veerappa is the most famous king of Halleri dynasty. Question number 6: list the capitals of Alupa's dynasty. Answer: Udayavara, Banavasi, Huncha and Mangalapura were the capitals of Alupa dynasty at different times. Next, fill in the blanks. First one: Dakshina Kannada district was divided in the year dash dash to create Udupi district. Dakshina Kannada district was divided in the year 1997 to create Udupi district. Second, dash dash and dash dash are the coastal districts of Mysuru division. Dakshina Kannada and Udupi district are the coastal district of Mysuru division. Third one: the history of Mysuru begins with dash dash rule. The history of Mysuru begins with Ganga's rule. 4. Tippu negotiated with dash dash to the dethron the British rule in India. Tippu negotiated with the French to dethron the British rule in India. Fifth one: in the dash dash Kodagu got integrated into the Mysuru state. In 1956, Kodagu got integrated into the Mysuru state. Next, natural resource of Mysuru division. Answer the following question. Question number first: name any 2 famous rivers in this division. Answer: famous rivers in this division are Kaveri and Himavati. Question number second: name the districts which received heavy and low rainfall in this division. Answer: Udupi district receives highest rainfall, whereas the Mandya district receives lowest rainfall in this division. Question number 3: name any 2 minerals available in this division. Answer: bauxite and felsite are the major minerals available in this division. Question number 4: what is the major occupation of people in the coastal area? Answer: fishing is the major occupation of people in coastal area. Fifth one. Question number 5: name the important waterfalls in this division. Answer: Gaganachukki, Barachukki, Abbe, Iruppu and Hebbe waterfalls are important waterfalls in this division. Question number 6: name the major mountains of this division. Answer: Subramanya Hill, Himavada Gopalaswamy Hill, Mullenagiri Hill, Kemmanagundi and Chamundi hills are important mountains in this division. Second one, fill in the blanks. First, the first coffee in India was cultivated in dash dash district. The first coffee in India was cultivated in Chikmagaluru district. Second one, Mysuru division is called as dash dash. Mysuru division is called as rain based hot climate. Third one, Chikmagaluru, Kodagu and Mysuru district have become the center of dash dash trade. Chikmagaluru, Kodagu and Mysuru district have become the center of timber trade. Forest, wildlife and national park of Mysuru division. Answer the following question. Question number 1. Name any two famous forest areas in this division. Answer, Bandipura and Nagaravale are the famous forest area in this division. Question number 2. Name any two tribal groups living in this division. Answer, Jenukuruba and Koraga are tribal groups living in Mysuru division. Question number 3. Name any two bird and wildlife sanctuaries of this division. Bird sanctuaries, Ranganatittu and Gudavi Bird Sanctuary. Wildlife Sanctuary, Melukote Wildlife Sanctuaries and Kaveri Wildlife Sanctuary. Fill in the blanks. First one, our national animal is dash dash. Our national animal is tiger. Second one, wild elephants are tamed using dash dash technique. Wild elephants are tamed using Khedda technique. Third one, Rajiv Gandhi Nagaravale National Park is in dash dash district. Rajiv Gandhi Nagaravale National Park is in Kodagu district. Fourth one, Malekudia tribals are the found in dash dash and dash dash district. Malekudia tribals are found in Kodagu and Dakshina Kannada district. Fifth one, elephants are killed for their tusk and dash dash and tigers are killed for their dash dash. Elephants are killed for their tusk and tigers are killed for their skin. Next one, agriculture and industries of Mysuru division. First, answer the following question. Question number 1. Name the two national parks in this division. Answer, national parks in Mysuru division are Rajiv Gandhi Nagaravale National Park and Bandipura National Park. Question number 2. Name any 6 crops grown in this division. Answer, paddy, ragi, maize, cashew nuts, potato, sugarcane and cotton are the crops grown in this division. Question number 3. Name any 2 irrigation projects in this division. Answer, irrigation projects in Mysuru division are Hemavati and Kabini. Question number 4. Name any 3 major occupations in this division. Occupations in this division. Answer, dairying, poultry and horticulture are the major occupations in this division. Question number 5. Name the major industries of this division. Answer, pharmaceutical industries, coffee curing industries, food processing industries, fertilizer industries and petroleum industries are major industries in this division. Next, fill in the blanks. First one, dash dash district in Mysuru division grows more coffee. Kodagu district in Mysuru division grows the more coffee. Second one, Mysuru district is famous for dash dash production in this division. Mysuru district is famous for silk production in this division. Thank you, children.